What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to show you the most insane, the sickest, dopest thing I have ever bought from Greenhills for under 500 pesos. This is pretty much a waste of money, but it is fun, it'll make you smile, and it'll just send out good vibes to the world. Something that I think we all need right now. That said, let's go. Boom! This is the Dancing Hero Iron Man. It's the Dancing Hero Iron Man, which you can buy for like 500 pesos in Greenhills, but you can actually buy it in Shopee for like 200 pesos. So you can turn it on once, and it will light up. But if you turn it on one more time, boom! What's up? 200 pesos. Let's go, guys. Ano binatbat ng Yeezy nyo dyan? Wala! What's up? Let's go, Iron Man. Let's shake it, Buddha. What? Woohoo! You know. You know. You know.
Member natin ng Blackpink yan eh.
Oh, what's up? Oh, di ba? Oh, baka mahulog. Oh, yan, ayan, ayan. Oh, let's go, let's go. Oh, saan ka pa? Tingnan mo.
Ano sinasayaw niya?
Ewan ko, friend. Basta panalo. So guys, you can buy this for like 200 pesos on Shopee, or you can buy, I think it's like 200, or you can buy it for like 400 something in Greenhills. Obviously, you'd want to buy it in Shopee, but I don't know where you can find it there. But yeah, take a look at that. Woohoo! Good vibes all the way. Colin, go. Oh, huh? Now, there's actually like a face underneath the mask, but I'm not sure how to be able to open it properly without tearing it off. So, but as you guys can see, there is like a chibi or a cute version of Tony Stark underneath the mask. Again, I've yet to figure out how to actually open the thing, but those are like the main features. So you have like the lights for the face, the lights for the body, and you should be able to pop up the mask open, but I've yet to figure that out. And lastly, it does dance, as you guys saw earlier, sending out insane amounts of good vibes to everybody watching. So, let's go! Wait, so let's turn on the sound so Colin can do his Infinity Gauntlet boxing workout. Let's do it! Oh yeah! What's up, yo? Work those hips! Work those hips! Harder punch! Left, right, uppercut! What's up? Let's go! What's up? Now, before I share with you guys my haul, just a quick reminder, please do subscribe to the channel because we constantly do giveaways. In fact, we have 4 ongoing giveaways ranging from Under Armour shoes to limited edition Anta, East Bay Times, Clay Thompson sneakers, to Jordan 4 breads, all of which the mechanics can be found down below in the description box. But the bare minimum is for you to subscribe, for you to follow me on IG, and for you to join our Facebook community. Go! So guys, we're actually going to shoot a vlog with Colin, but while he's setting up, I will continue. Oh, by the way, shout out Foot Soldier Manila. If you guys need something, check his IG out. But while Colin is setting up, I'll continue unboxing all of the stuff that I was able to buy from Greenhills. So we have the Dancing Iron Man over here. And as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Thanos and Marvel and the Infinity Gauntlet. So I went out and bought this really cute small Thanos figurine with the metallic gold shine to his armor and helmet. So this one is a bit pricey, sells for 1,499. Got this from Philbar. So let's take it out of the box and take a look at this bad boy. So this is the Thanos figure from, what's the name of the brand? Hot Toys, Cos Baby. So it is actually a bobblehead. So the head does like move around if you hit it and you know stimulate the head. That sounds wrong, but you guys get the idea. So he has a metallic shine to his helmet. You have the Infinity Gauntlet over there. It's really cute because it's so small. And then you have the Blade of Thanos over here, which made really short work of Captain America's shield. I haven't researched yet what the material is of Thanos' blade. Colin, would you know, Mr. Geek?
Which one?
Why did the blade of Thanos break Captain America's shield?
Kasi sabi ng director.
Okay, so it has the +10 power of the director. So anyway, this is like the Cos Baby Thanos. So if you guys are looking for like an alternative to Funko Pops, this is another brand. So this is again a brand from Hot Toys, but it's like a smaller version of their figures. And the last figure that I'll show you guys is this Vegeta Grandista Nero figure. So this is a high quality figure of Vegeta. To those who've been following my vlog, he is my favorite character from Dragon Ball, and this one sells for 1,850 pesos. Again, it is pricey. It is not for everybody, but if you are a collector and if you do have budget for it, this is one of the nicer quality figures you can actually pick up and add to your collection. So let's take it out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the figure looks like up close. So it is made out of, I think it's resin, high quality resin. So you have that very smug look of Vegeta with his arms crossed, with those bulging muscles, the torn blue suit, the yellow tip on his boots. And I think this is, I'm not sure if this is his look during the Majin Buu series, but it doesn't have an M on the forehead. But yeah, you guys get the idea. Now, apart from the really nice high quality figure, oh, just so you have an idea on the size, this is the Cos Baby Thanos. That's how big the Vegeta figure is. This is how big our, what do you call this? Iron Man. Oh wait, Iron Man. Oops, Iron Man dancing figure compared to the Vegeta figure. And lastly, it did come with this really nice keychain, or I don't know, just like charm. This is like the power, what do you call this? Power monitor, right? Yeah. The one that Vegeta uses when he said his now legendary infamous line, it's over 9,000. So that's the last item I wanted to show you guys for this quick Greenhills vlog. Well, Greenhills haul unboxing. We have Vegeta from Grandista. We have Thanos from Cos Baby or Hot Toys. And lastly, we have Iron Man. And this vlog wouldn't be complete unless we let this guy shake his booty one more time. Let's do it. That's it for now. Thanks everyone. What's up? God bless. Boom! What's up? Yeah! Good vibes to everyone. Yeah! Tingnan nyo naman yan, oh. Kung hindi ka pa naman matuwa dyan, ewan ko na. 200 pesos for unparalleled joy. Oh yeah! Peace. What's up? Boom!